Good morning, Longfellow students, parents, and other subscribers. Welcome to the Unity Digital Connections for Tuesday, May 26th. Have a great day. Today is a day 5. As you can see, I'm starting out this week showing you my corona hair. So this is my best corona hair that I have. And another thing coming up for this week is just pay attention to, you should be getting an email if you haven't already opened it from either Miss Brady or from me, kind of explaining what you're going to do this week. And this week is a catch-up week according to Mr. Kitzero. So instructions will be in that email. Also, turn in for iPads are next week, and there had been some directions from Mr. Kitzero sent out about when you would turn them in, and it has to do with the first letter of your last name. But before you do that, you need to save all of your information or anything that you want saved. Send it to your Gmail account, upload it to Drive, put it on your Gmail account. Okay, simple as that, into that drive. That's the way that it'll save it. You won't have to worry about it just being gone, because if you don't save it, we're not getting these iPads back again. You're getting all new iPads, and they're going to sell them or something like that. So make sure that you save everything into your drive. So put it all into Drive. Other than that, if you have any missing work, get it in as soon as possible. And as I said, your directions will be from Miss Brady or from me coming up on an email today. Have a good day. See you guys later.